Among the treasures of Tutankhamun, you will find 2 trumpets, one from silver and one from copper. Mr. Keating from BBC found a British trumpet player, James Tappern, who can play the 3,000 years old trumpets. The Egyptian Antiquities Service accepted the deal. It's a priceless propaganda. 150 million will listen to the unique broadcasting from the museum. Sunday, April 16th, 1939, was not an ordinary day in the history of the museum. Everyone is excited, especially James. He had a lot of concerns. 150 million will listen to my playing. What about the curse of the Pharaoh? King Farouk personally came to the museum. Tension is growing. What if the trumpet's damaged in my hand in the presence of the King of Egypt? Mr. Keating counted down to the broadcast. Then he said, "The trumpets of the Pharaoh Tutankhamun, the son of God Re." James closed his eyes and began to play. Everybody was impressed, especially the king. Do you want to listen to this legendary broadcast?
The trumpets of the Pharaoh Tutankhamun, son of Re.
This was the sound of the past in the 20th century. 2 trumpets have been perfectly working after 3,000 years and played by a talented British player called James Tappern.